Hello guys, I'm gonna unbox these Pokemon Lullaby Kiddie Meals. I mean Happy Meals. Let's start with the highest one.
How many do you have? How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ay, 4.
1,
1,
2, 3, 4.
4. Okay.
I almost jumped on one. Okay, let's start for the highest. Oh. Nothing there now because you. Woo. Oh God, you're sick.
Sit ka, sit.
Oh look, it has a flying bag. Oh yeah. Oh, I think this must be Snorlax.
Oh, dito ka, dito. Hey!
This must be Snorlax.
Hindi, Pokeball yan.
Oh, I think this is a Pokeball.
Oh, open mo na to.
Look what
Help mo
happened
siya,
to my
Daddy,
foot.
mag-grip.
There's air coming out.
Here?
Yeah.
Oo, oo. Ito dito, oh.
Sit ka, sit.
Oh, I got a red one.
Oh, what's inside?
I got
Psyduck!
yeah, Shydon. Good one, guys. We got Shydon.
Natatanggal ito.
Sabitan. Sabitan yan para sa shorts.
The shorts?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Sabit mo sa short niya.
Mamaya, pagka.
Oh, open mo muna yung tatlo. Help mo siya. Sit ka, Leb. Help ka ni Daddy. Dito ka, Daddy.
Oh,
Ganda.
okay. Let's put it back into the
Good quality.
Display mo dito sa front yung mga na-open mo.
Ganda, oh.
Oh, so Psyduck wasn't ripped off.
Oo. Oh,
Psyduck
hindi,
wasn't-
ganito, ganito.
No.
Display mo.
There. Uh-oh.
Display mo dito.
Now let's hang it.
Ah, gusto mo ihang sa shorts mo. Sige. Hang mo daw sa shorts niya, Daddy.
Oh, look. It has like a clip.
Great ball.
The second package. I mean,
Pinost mo
toy.
ka.
Yup.
Sige.
Bye-bye. Oh, I can start
Wala nang
seeing the
palatandaan
blind
dito. Wala
bag.
na. Ano yung blind bag?
Ah, sino kaya yan? I hope it's not another Psyduck.
Cause,
Yung color ka.
oh, I think it is.
Sa gilid, sa gilid.
Harap ka dito para makita.
Kabila. Yung color.
Red ulit.
Red!
Roy! Open. It is
Volpix.
Oh yeah, I got Vulpix.
Vulpix.
Oh, look, it has another piece for Vulpix.
Meron?
Oh yeah,
Baka
again.
stand.
Oh yeah, I think it's stand. Oh. No, I
Put it
think
here. Matayo naman. Ah, okay. Parang hindi siya umano, ganun.
Ah, para hindi siya matumba.
on the bullet. On the bullet. Well, that. Oh, good one. It's up.
Ba yan?
Tingin. Pangilan na yan? What color?
Sabi mo hindi mo sisira yung package.
No, but kung even zero there,
Okay.
you need to rip off the paint.
Open mo nga ito. Oh. Sino kaya yan?
Pala pinipindot. Pinipindot ba ito?
No, no opening. Oh, I can feel this is someone. Purple.
Ano yung pangatlo?
Yan na si
Blue.
Pikachu. I hope Pikachu.
In here.
Yeah. Wow! Hindi duplicate!
Yay!
Sino yan? That's
Lucario.
Riolu. Ay, Lucario?
Lucario.
Lucario.
I got Lucario. Whoa, she's super small. Now this is the last chance.
Last chance.
Oh.
Last na. Parang walang duplicate ah.
Bye bye Pikachu. Bye bye Pikachu. See you later. See you later, alligator.
Ayan na. Ano kaya yung last? Wala palang duplicate. Binili nyo na dapat 10.
Sino yung kakain? Pinili natin.
This
Ano ba yung
feels
pinakamura?
like
109. Yum burger.
Yan, burger.
Ay, open. What color?
I think Pokeball.
Red.
yes.
Sino? Sino? Blow mo.
Duplicate.
Blow mo, Lucky. Ang paswerte. Wala. Ay! Uh-oh. Another Psyduck.
Okay natin.
Another side hat. Oh
Here's a
man.
headache.
Oh, meron ka pang mga cards.
Oh yeah. Whoa, these cards look so cute. I love these.
Tell Tita Sweet if she go to Jollibee,
Bye.
buy kiddie meal. Para hindi tayo ma-kidney disease.
I think this one for Kuya Tips.
Daddy, open mo to.
Bigay mo yung duplicate si Kuya Tips.
Now I'm going to keep it. I'm gonna keep it in my.
Dapat sa denim kind.
Oh yeah, denim pants.
Para hindi mahulog.
No, it's still starting because we still have cards.
Hindi pa tapos. Sige,
First, let's
Open mo na yung cards.
put them back on.
Huwag mo muna silang open mo muna yung
Mag-get ako
cards.
ng
Scissors.
resort.
I think Psyduck was in this. I think Psyduck was in this. This feels like Psyduck. Feels like Psyduck. Oh yes, it's another Psyduck.
Ano favorite mo sa tatlong Pokemon? Ako, I like this one.
Oh yeah, 'cause it's a girl.
Bullpix.
Oh, I think it's back on the tail. See, oh, I think this is Uno. Yes, it is. It's Uno.
Wow! Ganda. Ay, madami pala siya.
Only
Patingin.
ba yan? Apat.
These
Patingin.
Pokemon-
Pero walang rare dyan kasi fan pack lang.
Oh,
Oh. Tatlo yung laman, no?
Lagay mo sa album.
Tatlo yung laman. Saan kaya napunta yung mga Pokemon ko nung bata?
Oh,
Card yun, Uy,
oh,
sino yun
oh,
Oh, wait. Look at this. Holographic. Special card.
oh.
Uy, yung tatay singit sa vlog.
What in the world? Whose hand is this?
I don't know.
Whose hand is this?
I don't know, Leb. Labas mo na lahat.
Whoa. Oh.
Tatluhan yung laman,
Whoa,
no?
ho, ho, ho. Put this back in the...
Oh, open pa iba.
Na-open na.
Lahat?
Oo.
Ano yung nakuha mong special card?
Wala man atang special.
Hindi ko nakilala yung mga Pokemon na to
Hindi na yata napanood sa...
Nice.
Hindi na yata napalabas sa GMA itong mga
Ito. Rapidash.
Hey, let's already change my shorts.
ay, mababay ka muna sa vlog mo.
Bye-bye.